quick video on how to use Audi parking assist. You basically pull up next to the bay you want to park in and then indicate in the direction of the bay, and then you can press the parking mode button. If you press it once, it'll go into bay parallel parking. If you press it twice, it'll go into bay parking. Then if you follow the instructions on the instrument cluster, you can see it told you to drive forward. So I'll drive forward now. And basically what it does, it'll scan the bay to work out if it can fit in there or not. So you can see it's recognised that there is a bay available. So it wants me to continue driving forward a little bit. Okay, and now it's telling me to stop and put it in reverse. I'll stop and put it in reverse. And then basically you have to control the throttle on the car and obviously observe the surroundings. So it will just, you know, you always want to check the gap anyway. But basically just keep an eye on the screen. You can see it's still telling me to just continue to reverse. And then I have the reverse camera and then also the 360 sensors there. So now you can see it's telling me to go forward again, so I'm going to put the car back into drive. See, it's correcting the steering wheel. And again, you have to control the brake and then back into reverse.
Parts and bucks.
BBC Three Counties Radio.
There we go, and then you can see it's whacked me dead centre in the bay. And that's pretty much it. Nice and simple. It actually works incredibly well.